Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can install Android Studio Iguana on Windows. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any type of preferred browser on your personal computer and search for Android Studio. A bunch of search results will now be displayed on your screen. Simply access the first link and the official Android developer's website will open up. Now you just need to click on the Download Android Studio Koala button. Note that the Iguana version was an older version and is not available for downloading purposes. So just download the updated version of Iguana and wait for it to complete. Once it's done, open the downloaded setup and a new window will be displayed. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to install the studio. Once done, click on the next button a couple of times and then accept the terms and conditions. The downloading will then be started, so wait for it to complete. After it's done, the software will be launched automatically. Now you can start creating a new project or open an existing one if you want. So that's basically how you can install Android Studio Iguana on Windows. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.